Okay, so this is my Twitter web scraping project. The goal of this project is to scrape tweets off Twitter for two users. In this case, I have Trump and Obama, and then I'm going to compare which tweets they're actually saying, what words they are saying inside of a database. So this first file, scrape.py, the main package I'm going to be using is Selenium. So this first file is going to open Chrome, navigate to Twitter, and scrape the tweets off the website, and then it's going to open a text file and send the tweets to that text file. So let's scrape Twitter for Obama's tweets real quick. Okay, so let's run this file and see what happens. First thing it's going to do is going to open Twitter, log in. So this program does not use the Twitter API, and it complies with Twitter's terms and conditions. It manually scrolls through Twitter. And the method that I'm using in order to actually make this happen is I'll go to each element that I want to find. I will press the inspect button. Like for this case, I see input and then type equals text. So I will, in my program, let's close out of that. In my program, I will actually find element by XPath, and I'll have that input @name equals text. That's one method. Another method that I use in order to navigate through this is I'll go inspect, and then I might right click. I'll go to copy XPath. And what this will do, it'll give this whole long string. That works as well. Okay, so let's check on where the Twitter scraper is at. And so right now it is on Obama's page, and then it's scrolling through and it's getting every single tweet. It will stop at 85 tweets and break through and send that to a text file. Okay, so as you can see, it's getting each tweet. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to keyboard interrupt. And let's take a look at the second file. So this next file will take this text file and it will clean the data. I'm using the NLTK toolkit in order to stem certain words together. And then I'm going to remove all the stop words, such as a, the, common words that don't really mean anything. And then I'm going to use a data visualization in order to create a nice bar graph. Okay, so let's see if I can't break through this. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this data visualization program. Scrape visualize.py. So this program will take a little while. While that's running, let's take a look at the last. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so as you can see, this is a bar graph for Obama's most popular words. As you can see, his most popular word was people, and he used that over 20 times, I believe 22 times. Okay, so let's close this and close that. Okay, so this last file will create a database. It will take the clean data from scrapevisualize.py and it will send it into a database. Okay, so let's take a look at the database that was generated from this. It will create a database specifically for Obama's words, for one user's words. And we'll also create this every words database in which you can compare two users. And so every file, these first two files, I will run twice. What I'll do is I'll use this buffer. I'll find every instance of Obama and replace it with Trump. And then I'll run this program again. Same thing for this file. Every instance of Obama, I will replace with Trump. I believe I already replaced this one. Yeah, I already replaced this one. And so that is how I will send to this database. I will have two users to compare. I'll have Trump frequency right here on the left and Obama frequency on the right. And I can filter this by see Trump's most popular words, or I can also see Obama's most popular words. And I can also go in this filter right here, I can look at, let's say, vote. Okay, so I can see right here the instances of which Trump says those words and Obama says those words. And yeah, that's my data science project. I think that it is quite interesting that Trump says words such as vote and elect are his most popular words. Republican. This makes sense because he was currently in the middle of the 2020 election at the time that he was still tweeting. And then, meanwhile, Obama's most popular words: people, Michelle, his wife, family, together. I think it's interesting that Obama has a big emphasis on family, really, and kind of bringing cohesion, bringing people together is the most popular words that Obama says.